Hi friends, we are so glad you're with us again today. We really hope that you enjoyed last week's video of those fabulous cedar trees. What did you call it? It was like an enchanted forest, I think. A magical forest is how he kind of described it. And it was such a surprise. So that was really cool. If you haven't seen that video, I'll go ahead and link it up here for you. But today we are going to a place that I cannot pronounce. Do you know how to pronounce it?
I have no idea.
I think I said Kootenai Falls, Kootenai Forest. I'm not sure. So sorry for those of you that live there and I'm butchering the name of it. But anyway, it was gorgeous. The color of water that was there was just something that we hadn't seen.
Yeah, it's
before.
Again, it was just a really, really cool place. I mean, I'm so glad we went and stopped. We got there right after a little bit of a rain, so the smells were perfect.
Yeah. It was near Libby, Montana. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to show you the falls, right? So let's go ahead and check that out and then hang with us. If it's too long for you, I already kind of made that little music video part of it. And it was kind of long because I loved the waterfall so much. If it's too long for you, just zip right past it, come back, and we're gonna show you this really inexpensive, very cool campground that we stayed at. So let's go, in Libby. So first, let's go check out the falls.
Come to the water where you will find peace.
Is it quite a ways?
Take a step into the river and get down on your knees. Come to the mountain while taking in the view. You will find that life is greater than you knew. When you go through the storm, I will hold you, keep you warm. When you stay in the night, I will shelter, I will fight, I will fight. Oh, you're broken and you're shattered at the point of no return. You pick up the pieces and you let the bridges burn. So come to the water, you're sailing with the breeze. Take a step into the river where you will find peace. When you go through the storm, I will hold you, keep you warm. When you stay in the night, I will shelter, I will fight. Oh yeah, I will fight. When you go through the storm, I will hold you, keep you warm. When you stay in the night, I will shelter, I will fight, I will fight. I will fight. So come to the water where you will find me. Take a step into the river and get down on your knees.
So hopefully you enjoyed those falls. They were so pretty. Like I said, that video might have been a little long for you, but we loved it so much and I just couldn't stop editing the footage. But then we went and stayed at this really cool campground.
Yes, the name of it was Fireman's Park. It was in Libby, Montana. It was kind of cool because when we got there, they were having like a farmer's market. So we were able to just go over and do a little browsing and shopping a little bit. But had neat little campsites. I want to say 15 or 20, just kind of tucked away in the middle of the woods. in the middle of town.
In the middle of town, in the middle of the woods, in the middle of town, yeah.
But the price wasn't bad at all. It was just a nice little spot.
Yeah, I think it was $10 a night.
I think it was.
Right? And then they had this weird sign that had the dump station hours. But we asked the campground host about that, and he said, that doesn't mean anything. You can dump anytime you want, so that was weird. But anyway, cool, inexpensive campground in a nice little town.
So where we're going next is unreal. In fact, I've always said that Zion National Park was my favorite national park. There were a lot of that were close, but this one blew it away. I was so amazed. You'll just have to see.
Yeah, if you're following our travels and actually following the maps that I've been putting on this screen with each video on this Travel Small, Live Big series, you might already know where we're going next. But we're not going to tell you. You'll just have to come back and see it. It is fabulous. It'll probably take us a couple of videos to get through that national park. But we hope that you join us for that. And until next week, this is Grassroots Living, reminding you to get down to the grassroots of what makes you happy and live your love.
We're thinking of you. We'll catch you next time.
Peace out.